guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing how to make some CD things in Procreate. Put things into balls. So there's two techniques. The first one is to draw a circle. No, not with the soft brush. Let's and draw a circle with black, not black, pure black. Okay, pure black, and there you go. Draw a circle however you want it, and then however you want it, and then do like this. Then do another layer. This layer, pick a color that goes well, and get the soft brush and fill the background at 100%. And there you go. Have this. Now, get another color, and do your brush size to 15%, and do these circle ovals wherever you want. Put them. This is the first technique. There are two techniques, and then get a pure white, and put your brush to 7%, and draw little circles. Little circles. Circle. Now go to the magic wand and click liquefy. Then put it to twirl right, and size to max. You can change the size based on everything, and just do everywhere how you want it. You can do it even twirl left, and you can use even the pitch tool too. What I like to do is do like this, maybe the size to 10%, no, to 40%. Actually, no, 70 maybe better. 70, and just go with slow even, and then click the magic wand again. Now here, go to the layer menu and set this clippy mask. No, what? But first, go here. Put this under and take it off in the circle. Fill it with color. Fill it with color. Then do like this and put the circle down. Now this, make it a clippy mask. And there you go. Have it. You have your thing, and you can merge these layers, and there you go. Or there's another technique. It's like this. I shouldn't put a layer, and I shouldn't merge layers. Okay. Now from this circle, go to the wrench and go insert a photo. So you can insert a photo that you like maybe I'll insert this photo maybe, and make it as big as the canvas. So that's freeform, did as big as the canvas, obviously. There you go. Actually, no, don't make it again. Just make it centered. There you go. Here. And then make it a clippy mask, and there you go. Orange juice. And you can even use another photo. Let's do this one. Use this photo. Clippy mask. There you go. And as you can see here, I even used this. Or another photo. I mean, you can use a lot of photos, not a text, not texts. And like, let's see. I have this one, and make it as big as the circle because it's not as big as the circle. You can't do it. Make it as big as the circle, and you're pretty much done. Clip mask. There you go. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.